Ya wo krom ha say 2009 2010. Wa mo ya can say can say yes, propaganda prosecution. Na nkrofo court no mate ada. Wa mo court na wa mo di kwa ye no mo agwe ni wo mo. Ya wo krom ha say a political party chairman organize a press conference. Sending warning to the Chief Justice and the judges. Emma can say there are so many ways of killing a cat. That very day, Chief Justice Emma Mukrosu court across the country by 10 a.m. By 10 a.m. No more Krosu every court. From magistrate to the Supreme Court. Omu Krosu ye. Because no more hubida. No more hubida. Nipa no leading press conference no 1981 hayina ni ekunkum judges no waka omo ho eti no musro ene don Mahama Chimika se mafa pen ne paper tro letter koma Kufuado se ofakobre obi ejina TV so blackmail obi no wa friend say shame ha no wa kwaje $100,000 na security for afano ade ne court na president of ahobey
amoye hwehwemu
president of ahobey na John Mahama etimi kokotro papa we nani nwasemu
na police for no so amo chiche nkrofo for false publication I no amo nche John Mahama say or accuse he's lying say Nana Addo is behind the arrest of journalists. Is Nana Addo behind the arrest of journalists?
And your false publication.
And the Abronye, Tio. Abronye invitation by the police.
Yeah.
No. And then the subsequent trial. No?
Yeah.
And Nana Addo na me acheno. No, I Nana Addo na me acheno. So until John Mahama, actually say Nana Addo and a shechria. Police force almost say. Asam na Abronye kan.
Yeah.
Yatro.
Yeah.
Omoba.
Sir.
So a chatro.
Was almost a chatro. Over.
Me boy. Na Tio and say all kasem and omo akoye nhwehwemu. And omo hu say asem na okan no. Enya no kre. Na John Mahama writes a letter and says say Nana Addo and a she security for chi and answer the rest of journalists. Nana Addo no movie.
Yeah.
Would the police investigate to know the truth of the matter? Would they invite John Mahama?
That's right. IGP Tiada, more volume, Cobra, more volume.
Will he do that? Because Nano Ghana had so chatro to Obiswa. Police were ankasa on their own. Omutimbe kaso ya we investigate asem na wo kan ye no. Ya hu senya no kre.
Yeah.
Enti no a false publication. Enti etimi chew. Let me rest my case. Me enipa bi da ache no. Enipa bi sunsum fidi amomo ho. Na mo ahwe ye na mo amode mo na akokotim. Mo sunsum fidi amonhwe ye. Na enya grossa. Ode
Cobra ni bibi.
Yankoyanim.
Cobra.
Yankoyanim.
Say yes.
Yenya abonye yankoyanim.
Yes men court there. Police ho no mo there no. Say ga so obi aye
FM.
Wo koye no. Ne enti awache no say obebo ade na kire no. Ana obema na kenkan say sase mu na kan ye. Eye wa. Bibi sansi. Before say abro nya ntro na yi no wo charge sheet no. E wo ho no. Let us say wo mo prepare the grandpas wo duru ho. What does it? Number 2. Hwe obi send me video bi of John Mahama. Anu wo ka say emrantie ne nsem na wo mo keka no. As is a president tie omo because adwuma ni kronum a national security threat. Eno na ma BBCC wo hefa anu obobo. Based on this, abronye kan wo kan ye na. What if?
What?
What do they say? Me enya kwata na me go. Enya hon ma sem na me.
Edu pa. No ye. No ya bronye evidence.
Masane video sinama no.
Anfa because yet Ghana ha. Yet Ghana ha. after Ayawaso West Wogon by election. John Mahama Ekofa concocted video.
Yes.
Members of the diplomatic corps.
That's right.
Masa, nobody is a coward in this country.
That's right.
And I say Sabinumi a coward. And you cowards.
Yeah.
Na won't me enya bi na unya bi. That's why me can say and I'm on bi ho wa tu a enya gina ye. Otherwise we to them.
Yeah. Yeah.
John Mahama inviting members of the diplomatic corps.
Could ditro.
Edi omo ko peduase. Okoye na okoyi video.
Yeah.
Say monhwe sa enkrofo a mo hihye ntare we na. Omo eye atutrasem wo ayawaso wo. Omo ye abai bambo dwen for because na omo wo owura bache jakon years. Okay. Even the stupidity of Lincoln Ajakun wo eho bambo.
Yeah.
What they say, any people who are there to ADC Ayawaso. Edia na opashishe.
Yeah. Oditro.
Edia na opashishe.
Oditro.
To what extent do you want to go?
That's right.
To what extent now opeso chatro? Now, members of the diplomatic corps, you go concoct a video. Wako concoct two video. Anna, udi 2 foot go money. Look. If so be an agency for obedi atro okrom ha ye bechina. Ye be pointing out atro ankrofo di di atro mo.
Yeah.
Na ya hwede ombe.
That's right.
Me that's what I would say.
Yeah. Over.
Me ponti atro ankrofo di atro no busa say enipa because now no John Mahama sitting this week. Or no clear say Nana Addo is behind the arrest of this. Does he have any proof? Police, if you are minded, go and pick him. And I said, go and investigate. Go and investigate. And someone can no crack.
Yeah.
Namo all cano. So be the no crack. Namo trahonamun take action. Embody or no chita for no. They seem to create the impression that, oh, I say the we crano e wo tumi wo nkrofo hwe
ade de cobra
no me ba
obi ka se wo tumi bia
eno no ye ma ne nya adwuma because I'm sorry
hwe omo
because now no say mo customer net no white uchatra yetimi chew.
Yeah,
that is we say yeah yetimi chew. That is okay. And I'm a me personally a hammer. Me say Professor Bempai de no kokode. Personally, I don't know, but it's enya dia mepe.
Yeah.
Enya dia mepe.
Yeah.
And that's enya dia makoma wo. Is what the law says. And I don't interpret the law. And I'm not the law enforcement agency. Then you be use mususu dia. Mo yasik. Edia mejamo. The bedroom make us so any woman can no. Nobody talks about anything. But nobody will be allowed to run away with murder. Say, oh, the sorry, no accuse you, president. And say, and say, do you a dear no you? A dear Nana Addo, yeah, or my yachichi
or no anytime you change and send your vote. Muntia 3, and former go prison. I don't go you or Mufrimu. Or no any time. Let it does what you walk on. You see, share one man show. Hey, this hour. One man show. We are not going to entertain it. Huh? Cobra? Yes, so fire and Sagana for to Obama new patriotic party to form government. Your former government, yes, we want the laws to work. But one man showed here, we are not going to entertain it. That's why take it from me. Take it from me. We are not going to entertain it. Yes.
Moana Marcos Sudia number. Casey Bar about Pontimos, when so and follow within. Of course, you have your own discretion. nyame na meka but me nso metumi abusa say hey aba ya de ball ban no ya de ball techi enye yi ana
ministry's president edaho
aba ya de ball ban no ya de ball techi enye yi enti me no obi a nenso obetwa trato obi so no we pointed out to the police.
That's right.
Because I brought you there no mo say wakasem mo ye nhwehwemu ana mo hu say enye no kre na nhwehemu ko mo ye no left bay between hen and hen wa enam mo bada ye nhwehwemu wo bra onu nu nipa no onu ye nipa no o make allegation o make allegation mo ma meji adanse bia enfiri no but so be it
Oh, that's Mr. Cobra, send me a Nankama patch.
So be it because we are no Obia wana Juma. Oh, yes, yeah. Me Danoa Oliver Baker Mouse Vomo. Yeah. Obabe drew her police for Cocoche no na. Yes, so lawyer be the Martin Bebu. Na or cancer and the second police one a year say no I'm fed to a no answer to massa when your police and now beka say kwase no mum fast on your people should understand that's clear obiani has all beka say oh kasisa police so ye say and a man you say but me kase susubia mo is oh and then there when you do poor publication a tantamount to dia oh any ebi nso ba e be draw my attention
ana Kobrin what say IGP ye social media fan pa song
and ye minim
oh na den aya wo so chikala wole chibo mu no krase e kire se ni ade aya wo
social media
emre bia ena ni 3 days anase no anajo no won konya ho no mu ba bi our meeting him for ni ade so ne tie no let the social media obi ahwe o social media
for non FM
eya wo hu say ye twa tro de to president so wo hu eya wo hu eno wo hu say ye di president o hu eno hu enye sa hwe IGP oboa o sia ne jo Mahama kika ye nyina ne hye me kese pa obi akwakọ estoto afri obi ho extortionist extortionist akoje 100,000 you see hwe sadi no
monko kumase monko ayi akwatiala police station
oh
na monko central police station monko kura monko kumase central prison
yeah
monko hu ni par record o na oni obi a oye comfortable mo afri ni mo fra brem e na ode anyi
aba begina hode mo e defend pro no sem a former president
wo extortuska uko chatro tu
100,000
Nana Addo nam ne
USD
na wakwakọ jiska na se hwehwemu aba na wo na anim achro se Nana Addo is behind wenipa of ho be
de woka bobie de ne Ay3ka na
menuka
kame te sesa kronfo no wonim se hwe Kobrin me nhwehwemu amaye obi na ahye data musika ma no se blackmailing crofo no one bringing crofo look your best pose mo one by one mama no sha onu ma watam sika atoka aka ho no we are going to expose them what you mean go obi adwuma what you mean she ene me ne wo kasei ndc fo mpanifo na ko ho ekokojiska
nanka
wodo na finance wo mo
nanka
wodo na finance wo mo oh na ya tenase na journalist akwakọ jisika no wa blackmail obi agina hodom because of TV so apenti obi poto asa frɛ no aye siam wotan paris akwakọ $100,000 ya send 500 ya can say 50,000 Ghana cedis ebe mauni a chill adi wakwa John Mahama wafa pen paper uye nim guasefo you don't act like a statesman uye nim guasefo eti yan tenase emma sabioma we enko look some of us ya de ho asi wo we are going to fight for this party na MPP for na ya na mote moda mompaswa na mo kan nsemfo edema no you should be very careful ya butre my kasa de ye boafu
I know they are not
me and oh no cobra you see at times no ho enye you can say ne first so de better how positions ya chiche ya mama bi eso mre bia me ba e be defending party no be that you should not what cancel for na mo kasa dodo what do you mean ya cancel for better na cancel papa Brabetra hadum, le kanse papa. E disi fo akasa na mo akoma etu na mo BP kosoro. Ye ba be kamizo na mo jahon na mo kanse mfon de kire yen. Na de say obi suro obiara. But the mon family de be wo so ama mo papa mo hu say yes yeah. Because we are not going to sit down to make sure say bia ya opposition. Ye pese ye je party ni si ho. E se je party ni si ho num. Kobra Mabubo ye levy no so a wonim MPs ni se omunyentum anamewa sesei aban ni sika enu ebe ma sika kakra
amesi MPs your majority or
oh what dey ma menja distinction kra MPs ni so omunyentum ye ni omugitum omunyentum
parliament mpasse Baro can say or MPs no someone to one yet.
Oh, what make Casemba?
I know there's some
make Casemba. I buy air cutting expenditure by 20%. Me boy. May propose you finance minister 8 year. Deputies 8 year. Cabinet members be 8 year. I buy and yet say you no fan parliament. The parliament in passes say okay. Se parliament mo say e-levy no mo pass ya and the legislature ye cut mo salary by 40%. Na civil servant ya cut no by 5%. Eno no that fe ya timi amobilize say sika no every month near the aye the SCA de ye near fan ko parliament